So we all know this feeling. Which feeling? You know this feeling that you get when you order a 7-meter body pillow at to cart? Nice. But then you get the sudden urge to actually get a game hack for your favorite game. So you fire up Google and you look for a hack. Oh, nice. Yes. Oh. Ah. Yeah. What hack? Generated. Oh. Nice. Verify. Oh. Not working. Verify. Not working. Finalize. Verification. Not working. Second page. No human verification. Connect. Success. Generated. Cheat. Verify. Not working still. Click to verify. Oh, I verify myself. It's not working. Yes. So anyways, guys, the experience that you're gonna have when you're using Google to find any kind of hack, especially when it comes to mobile game cheats, is going to be, well, yes, one of a lot of generators and a lot of human verification and a lot of not working, of course. Now, in order to solve this issue, I need to explain to you guys something about online game cheats, and especially ones involving currencies such as diamonds, gold, and whatnot that you have in online and offline games. Now, we need to understand the difference between offline games and online games in order to understand why these tools may not be working for you, these generators that you will find in Google predominantly. Now, in offline games, you don't require an internet connection to play, alright? That is the obvious thing, which means that all of the game is processed only on your device, on your Android, iOS, PC, console, whatever you're using, right? It's all on your device. You control all the data, which means you can hack anything. You can use tools and game hacking tools, memory editors, in order to get unlimited money in offline games. However, in online games, this is not the case. In online games, so the ones that do require the internet in order for you to play, if you want to test whether your game is an online game, just disable the internet, you know, turn off your Wi-Fi, your data, see if it works. If it doesn't work, it's an online game. Now, in an online game, you have a game server in addition to your device, alright? So your device connects to a game server. The game server processes a part of the game, and your client, your device, processes part of the game. Now, very important to notice is that currencies such as money, gems, diamonds, cash, gold, whatever you have, silver, points, they're all stored on the game servers, which are basically a computer in the basement of the developers of the game, alright? So these servers cannot be hacked or modified from your side. The only people that can modify these servers, change the values on these servers, are the developers of the game. So the only way to hack your money and your cash and your gems and your diamonds in an online game that requires the internet is to actually spend money, because nobody can hack these servers. Even if somebody was able to do it, the developers would notice, oh, this guy had just got 3 billion gems, we want to make money, so we're gonna undo that change, right? So it's never going to happen. Now, what does that mean for unlimited gems, hacks, and generators and tools that you will find online and especially in Google? Well, it means they're all fake, because 99% of them are for games that are online, that cannot be hacked. There is no way to generate free coins or gold or whatever. It doesn't happen unless it's provided by the developers of the game, which it never is. It's absolutely not going to work. All right. There are, however, ways for you to hack these games. Now, it's not possible to get unlimited money in these games because, as I just told you, all these things, all these generators are fake. They're trying to scam you into completing offers, which will give the people that are doing these scams, they're going to give them money, and you're not going to get anything in return. So it's a pretty one-sided deal. I wouldn't recommend you take it. So if you want to find legitimate cheats, actual cheats that actually do exist, you're going to want to Google HackerBot, okay? You're going to want to go to hackerbot.net, where you will find a Find Free Cheats tool. This is a search engine that searches only legitimate websites that offer legitimate hacks and mods and bots and other cheats for online and offline games. Alright, so you will only find legitimate stuff, no scams, no human verification, whatever, no fake tools. These cheats are actually real, alright? And I always say I would rather have $100 that are real than 1,000 that aren't, because yeah, that's kind of what you're getting in Google these days. So the way this works is you head over to hackerbot.net, just Google hackerbot, go to our free finder tool, and here you want to enter any game that you want to hack. So for example, PUBG Mobile is a popular one right now. Then the second thing, you're gonna want to enter the system that you're playing on. It works for any game, any system, alright? Android, iOS, PC, Xbox, PlayStation, whatever, it doesn't matter. So enter the name of your system. So for example, iOS or Android. In this case, I'm going for Android. And then the last thing you're going to want to do is enter the current game version. In this case, it's 0.19.0, but only for mobile. On PC or console, that doesn't really matter. On mobile, it's more relevant that you have the right build. Okay. The way you look this up is down below. There's going to be a tutorial on how to use and check the game version on whatever platform that you are on. Now, in the case of Android or iOS, you can simply hop over to the App or Play Store and look it up there. Alright, so you have your game name, your system, and your current version, and you can just search, and you will find legitimate mods, hacks, bots, scripts that you can use together with, for example, game hacking tools such as Game Guardian for Android. HackerBot is also highly recommended that you download it to access the website more quickly and find cheats more easily. Cheat Engine for PC, iGame Guardian or Game Jam for iOS, and so on. There's also going to be top lists at hackerbot.net, the main page of the top Android game hacking tools, iOS and PC game hacking tools as well. So I highly recommend you check those out. Remember guys, before you use any of these cheats, any of these mods, any of these scripts that you will find on hackerbot.net using the free finder tool, please make a secondary account in online games, okay? If you use an outdated hack or you're not following the installation instructions correctly, you may get banned. So please make a secondary account. If you can, use an emulator to do these things, because a lot of these mods will require a rooted or jailbroken device. So I highly recommend using an emulator first before moving on to your actual device and your main account. Always use secondary accounts and emulators if you can, okay? That's highly, highly recommended. Anyways, guys, also make sure that you are downloading the current version of the hacks that you're looking for, not an outdated one, because that is always problematic. You do not want to connect your game to an outdated client. Anyways, guys, I hope this helps. Head over to hackerbot.net to find your game cheats. Just Google hackerbot and you will find it very easily. Anyways, guys, if you want to help me fight these scammers and spammers and these fake generators, these fake tools that you'll find in Google, so many of them. Google really loves that stuff. Google really loves kids getting scammed. Anyways, if you want to help me fight these, please give the video a like. Comment down below, let me know, did you actually know that these were fakes before you came to this video, or did I educate you on that? Also guys, share this with your friends so they don't get scammed either. Nobody likes to get scammed, and if you're looking for these things on Google, you're probably not just gonna get scammed once. You're gonna get scammed again and 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 again before you find any legitimate websites. Anyways guys, I hope this helps. Share this video, give it a like, if you want to help fight these scammers, and I'll see you guys next time.